the smartphone paracord case or a holder or a pouch, as you wanna call it. In the next 10 minutes I'm gonna show you how to make this simple paracord project for your smartphone. So for the first part of our today's project, we're gonna need this neon green Paracord 550, total length 7.5 feet or 2.5 meters in the metric measurements, and this black Paracord also 550, again 7.5 feet or 2.5 meters. So let's start. First we're gonna take the ends of a both cord and we're gonna join them. So now when we join the cords, we're gonna take around 2 inches or 5 centimeters of this neon green and we're gonna make the loop. After that we're gonna take our smartphone and from the one side or the one edge make it to the other one. And we're gonna put around those 2 inches or 5 centimeters out like this. And now here we're gonna start and create our base for our smartphone case or a smartphone holder, as you wish. The base will be the simple basic Solomon knot or the basic cobra. So we're gonna take and make this one to the back and this one from the front. So we're gonna take the green, neon green, through this loop on the right side and this black one through the loop on the left side. As you can see here, let me just zoom a bit. I have the black cord heading from the top to the back, as you see, and this neon green from the back to the top. And I want the neon green to be the inside color of this base, so I'm gonna turn around like this. So your main color or the inner color should always heading from the top to the bottom like that, or to the back. As you can see now, we're gonna take this neon green and we're gonna make it on top of the middle strands and the black on top of the neon green behind and through the loop on the left side like this. And again on top on the middle strands, this one on top on the neon green, behind and through the loop on the right side. So now when we finished our cobra weave or cobra knot, basic Solomon knot, as you wish, we are on the end have a smaller loop than we started, and that's because we're gonna create the loop from this black cord, which will end in the middle of this smaller knot or a loop, as you can see here. So let me show you what I mean by that. We're gonna take, just zoom a bit and focus. Okay, now we're gonna create the loop around 1 inch or 2.5 centimeter from the each side, so the loop will be actually more than 2.5 inches. So we can insert this end of a black cord through here, so next or adjacent to this neon green. So I'm gonna pull it up and create the small loop, as you can see here, and I'm gonna put it from behind or from the back like this through, and I said next or adjacent to this neon green, as you can see, and through the loop in the middle. Now pull it to make it tight, and tight this one here. So now we're gonna just resize our loop here. And as you can see, we created the outer shell of our smartphone, and it ends here. So this loop here will allow us to lock this case or the holder for our smartphone. So if it's all in place, we can continue. I'm gonna resize a bit this loop and cut off the excess of a cord and melt it down, so we can continue with the second part of our today's project. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you do, please give a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, and of course don't forget to subscribe. It's free, and that way you're helping me to continue making these paracord tutorials. That being said, let's cut off this excess of cord and melt it down.